Bree is over here snoring.
I'll take 5 for that.
You was right the first time. You was right.
Listen close.
Oh, we gonna die.
Oh man, he saw all this shit. He ain't got no gun. I had to beat his ass. They gonna let you go if you done whooped his ass.
Breonna Jackson, you just been faced.
Yeah.